Hey everyone, I'm The Train with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 20W45A for Minecraft Java Edition. This is the first 1.17 snapshot to be released on Java Edition, and while not every feature for the final release is included, there are a good chunk of new additions to the game. So, without further ado, let's head into the snapshot. This release saw the addition of two new stone variants, calcite and tuff. Calcite looks like a diorite and quartz mix, and tuff looks like an andesite and basalt mix. And both of these blocks look very nice, and I'm excited to see builders incorporate them into their builds. Next up, we have the new lighting block, the candle. These bad boys can be crafted with a single honeycomb and string, and can be placed up to 4 in a block. You can also place them on cakes to wish your friends a happy birthday, and by using flint and steel, you can light the candle. But that's not all. If you use a dye on a normal candle, you can create a colored candle. These candles do not emit any colored light, but they are still a great addition to the game nonetheless. This snapshot also saw the addition of the copper ore. This ore will be found underground and can be mined with a stone pickaxe or higher, and will drop itself when mined. By smelting this ore, you will obtain 1 copper ingot. By placing 9 copper ingots in a crafting grid, you will obtain 1 copper block. By placing 4 copper blocks in a crafting grid, you will get 4 cut copper. And both of these blocks can be turned into slabs or stairs. And these blocks come with a cool and unique feature. They will oxidize over time, meaning that every 52 to 80 Minecraft days, these blocks will oxidize one stage and become teal green color. The first stage is a normal copper color, the second is lightly weathered, in which the copper begins turning a little green and gray. The third stage is semi-weathered, where the copper turns even more turquoise with small areas of dark green, and the final stage is weathered, in which it is now a fully turquoise block. But for those who want to keep the texture of a certain stage, you can do so by combining any staged copper block with a honeycomb to make it waxed. And in doing so, this will protect your copper from oxidizing any further. Another use for these copper ingots are for crafting a lightning rod. By using 3 copper ingots in a crafting grid, you can create one of these lightning rods, and when placed, will direct lightning to it if lightning strikes in a 4x16 area around it. Moving on, we have new amethyst blocks, the block of amethyst and budding amethyst. These blocks will generate naturally underground, and the geodes containing them also have a layer of tuff and a second layer of calcite, which are the new stone variants. On budding amethyst, you will find 4 types of amethyst buds: small, medium, large, and cluster. Using an iron pickaxe to mine an amethyst cluster will give you 4 amethyst shards, or 4 more for every level of fortune you have on your pickaxe. Alternatively, you can use a silk touch pickaxe and get the block form of the cluster to place around. And using 2 copper ingots and 1 amethyst shards will give you a spyglass, which when right-clicked, functions like the Optifine zoom. And also, your player will be shown with a new posture holding a spyglass, which is also very nice. There have also been a change to rails in this version, because now they can be waterlogged. In water, the minecarts are slowed down more than usual, but with enough powered reels, you can be on your way to creating the next Splash Mountain. Cauldrons can also be lava logged in this snapshot, and when they are, they emit a redstone output of 1. Not sure what you can do with this, but if you find a cool way to use this mechanic, be sure to send it to us on Twitter @Server.pro. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for more snapshot coverage, as well as plugin tutorials, mod reviews, and soon data pack videos. This snapshot also saw the addition of the bundle, which can hold up to a stack of items in your inventory. It can be crafted with 6 rabbit hide and 2 string, and by right-clicking on the items in your inventory, you can fill up the bundle. Unfortunately, you can only hold 1 stack's worth of items. So for instance, it can only hold 16 ender pearls, 1 diamond helmet, or 64 items. Dirt paths can now be made using a shovel on dirt, podzol, mycelium, coarse dirt, and of course grass blocks. Also, you can now craft a new block named Tinted Glass in this version, using one glass surrounded by 4 amethyst shards. As you can see inside this glass structure, it is light level 0, and that is because tinted glass does not allow light to pass through. I have a good feeling that this will be used for a lot of mob farms in the future, as it is transparent, yet won't affect any mob spawns. There is a new loot table function in this snapshot, Set Banner Pattern. This will allow players to save loot tables with pre-made banner patterns. The parameters for this are patterns, which lists pattern objects like square bottom left, and color, which includes the color of the previous pattern. There were also a few bugs dealing with XP orbs causing severe lag and crashes, but the snapshot fixed these issues. There were also numerous misplaced blocks in generated structures, however these issues should be fixed. And that is all of the important changes in this snapshot. This is one of many 1.17 snapshots to come, so if you enjoyed this video, your subscription would be greatly appreciated. If you'd like to look at a full list of bug fixes, you can find the article link in the description below. To create a server that you can play on with your friends to explore the snapshot, head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm The Terrain. Peace out.